Gotta love when the weatherman comes out. I wonder if that's John. Enjoying your stroll? Enjoying your stroll? It's low now. It's low now. It's low. Oh, heck yeah. If you use your gauge, you see where the bricks change on the wall right there? The water was all the way up to there. Last night, man, talking about 8 o'clock this morning. I got the video, it's up there. So, all right, look at the sign for the gas price. You couldn't see the digital numbers. Is that John? Has John made it to King Street? That's not bad. We can see the yellow line in the street. That's when you know it's getting good. Now, son finally said, you know what? I'm done with you. The lake's going on right well. Water's begun receding. So it's not that bad for now. Let me find out when the next high tide is. See that here, they're backing up trucks over there. See, our pump's doing its job. Because if that pump was not there, woo, we'd have been overflowed. Everybody out walking their dog. Yeah, because guaranteed, well, you see somebody coming through up from meeting. But when that truck's backing up, passage over there is messed up. They're working on those pumps. Yeah, it's doing its job. When the full permanent one will come, we don't know. There's millions of dollars. Price keeps going up.